ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you for being here on this fine and beautiful day, and the Berkalow family would like to welcome you to their facilities. My name is MC Sal. I'll be your MC tonight. Over here, the music man, that's DJ Zap. If there's anything you folks would like to hear, we'd be more than happy to accommodate you. So feel free to swing on by and come by the booth, talk to myself or DJ Zach. I'd be more than happy to play it for you. Not better. Smooth Jazz, WJJZ, Philadelphia.
Don't point the mic towards the speakers. That's all we know. Good evening, everyone. It's time to get this party started.
Should I do my best Barry White? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to thank you for coming to the festivities. Ladies and gentlemen, if you'll look out the window to the right, Code Blue came up on the set. I always wanted to do radio. That's why we're doing test runs here. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. The film will now commence. What's the prize with that? Smooth Jazz, WJJZ.
I'd like to give a shout out to Asia for my beautiful pineapple and vodka. It was phenomenal.